Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add gallery to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Elementor dashboard, and when you're here, just write in the search widget gallery. And you're gonna see here the basic gallery. Just take it and paste it to your Elementor. And now when you get it, just add your images here. So I will I'll go back, just choose this one. Okay, this should be fine. 3, 6, 1. We're going with the 6 photos. And this one. Okay, nice. You can just move them if you want to. And insert gallery. And now the fun begins. So you can change the resolution of it. But I should, what I recommend is having the photos in the same resolution. So this doesn't happen. This is really important. So you can also change the columns of how many you got them. So what I need to do is to delete this one and this one, these two. So this is going to be gone, this is going to be gone. Voila, okay. Like that. Now I can go to style. I can change the spacing here. Also have some solid background. Whatever color I would have, it's really up to you. And then I could like make them rounded. That's also the possibility. And have the caption if I would have one. So now when I see that I have a good gallery, you can also try in the description, you're gonna see L-site link. And when I'm going to L-site page, you can also add gallery from here. I will show you how. In applications, when you will log in, when you create an account, and you will go to gallery, photo gallery. That's also another possible way how we can create. So you can like have templates here, change the images, change the layout and everything. It's like also really simple, really easy. Okay, let's choose this one. Then you got like style here that you can change the background color. And now when you got it, click save. Right after you do it, you need to choose a plan. You will appear a code, but right before that, there will be a plan. And you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000 or 5 million views, go with the basic, pro or enterprise version. That's just my recommendation. And now what I would do is I would add the HTML. Look at this. And I would just paste the code here. And this is like also another way how we can create a gallery. So that's pretty much it. And these are the 2 ways how you can create it. Thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.